Introducing the ADM42, a premium mechanical keyboard that will increase your comfort and productivity. Traditional keyboards, even ergonomic ones, have many keys impossible to reach without stretching fingers or moving hands. Conversely, minimal keyboards have few ergonomic features and limited layouts. The ADM42 is a compact keyboard that combines ergonomics and usability. On the ADM42, all the keys are close to your finger's natural position. They are arranged linearly, with a central spacing and a 15-degree angle between hands. Special characters are accessible using layer keys. A layer key is like Shift. When you hold it, you access a different character. On the ADM42, the layer keys, Shift, and many important keys like Space, Backspace, and Enter are all managed by thumbs. Your hands will always stay at their place, increasing speed, precision, and reducing fatigue. The modifier keys, Super, Control, Alt, and Shift, are all available symmetrically on each side of the keyboard. Key combinations have never been so easy. The layout has been optimized for developers and for the VI workflow. By the way, the name ADM is a tribute to the ADM3A terminal, on which the VI editor was designed. Please check the interactive guide to learn more about the layout. The case of the ADM42 is entirely made of anodized aluminum. It provides perfect stability for switches and a unique feeling. Switches can be easily replaced without soldering. With an overall height of only 2.5 centimeters and a weight less than 300 grams, it's the thinnest and lightest mechanical keyboard using standard switches on the market. Ideal to follow you everywhere. Stop using other keyboards. ADM42 is the ultimate answer. Get yours now on Kickstarter.